Wait for it. Right, come on, girls. And lads, sorry. Stereotyping, sorry. Oh, there's a couple of lads here. Right, what's your names? What's your name? Emmy. Emmy? Emmy? Emmy's about to wet herself, just give me a sec. What's your name? Hello? Who? Leon? Leah? Sorry, I thought you were brilliant in Harry Potter. Brilliant. What? I'm only joking, Leah. Right, what's your name? Guy. Guy? Guy, what's your name? Morgan. Morgan, what's your name? Tom, what's your name? Rachel. Rachel, and who? Olivia. Who? Olivia. I didn't ask you where you live, love. What's your name? We know you're from Wigan, you're wearing a top. Oh, this is something here. Hey, what's your name?
Who are you?
Sorry?
Who are you?
You do as well, right? Okay, no, it's Olivia, right? Okay. Now we've had who we have? We've had Mafia, we've had Ghetto. All right. These guys are Greater Manchester champions. The guys before were Lancashire champions, and the little ones, right? Midlands champions. So they've all done really well for themselves. Give it up for Gangster!
Every day I'm shuffling.